Hello and welcome to Main Street Digital Academy. I'm Tim and I'm really excited to share a brand new way for parents and educators to teach ages 8 to 14 about business and manufacturing while having fun. We've put together our educational business kit, a unique mini business STEM type boot camp that's fun, hands-on, and educational for everyone. Parents and educators, help your 8 to 14-year-olds learn business through hands-on bar soap making with adult supervision. You want to help young learners know what goes into actually making a product. You want them to understand what goes into figuring out pricing, cost, and profits. You want to teach your young learners the basics about business and manufacturing while making learning fun with a hands-on approach. Are you looking to encourage real-world math skills, spark creativity, and instill the value of work? Our all-in-one beginner's bar soap business kit from Main Street Digital Academy is designed for parents and educators to teach young learners ages 8 to 14 with adult supervision to explore entrepreneurship through crafting their own bar soaps and more. This package turns a simple activity into a full educational experience, combining STEM, science, technology, and engineering, and math with business practices. It's perfect for homeschooling, after-school programs, family bonding activities, or even scout troops. We introduce all the parts and tools it will take to make a melt and pour bar of soap and teach them what it costs to purchase the parts wholesale and put all the parts together to make a project. This includes a lot of math, dealing with pounds, grams, and liters, which we explain to them, and they will learn in very simple terms. We then show them what they can sell it for, showing them the side of business of cost versus profits. This kit goes beyond just making soap. As I said, it's a mini business boot camp. Everyone will, number one, learn manufacturing, understand supply chains by sourcing ingredients, which are included, and assembling products, fostering creativity and problem solving, such as if you create a 3 3/4 ounce bar of soap made of 3 layers, each having a different color, how much soap would each layer have? Number two, apply math in real life. From measuring ingredients to calculating profits, it reinforces school skills and shows the real world importance of learning math like addition, percentages, and budgeting. Number three, you're going to grasp business basics. We encourage pricing and marketing strategies like design a label that will attract customers, and sales, role play selling to family. We emphasize ethics like focusing on real value and real business. Number four, it's going to build confidence. Parents should end with a sales day for everyone to sell their soaps, maybe at the family events or fairs, tracking profits and learning from failures, as such as why didn't this one sell? We then show them step by step how to make the bar soaps, including all the math they will need to add all their favorite fragrances and colors. For example, they must convert 3% of weight of the soap base into grams and then into milliliters to figure out the amount of fragrance they need and why. What's included in the kit? There's enough materials to make 4 to 5 bars of soap, including melt and pour soap base, fragrances they can choose from, safe colorants that they can choose from, molds, pipettes, 10 milliliter syringes. Now there's no needles involved, and packaging labels. All safe and non-toxic to keep it simple for beginners. Or you can get the number two kit, which has double almost all product and will make 8 to 10 bars of soap. Also included is a step-by-step instructional printed guide, a workbook with easy to follow step-by-step instructions and photos. It covers manufacturing basics. We introduce all the parts needed to make a bar of soap, including sourcing ingredients wholesale, and teach how to measure, mix, and mold safely, explaining concepts like volume, weight, and ratios. Math application, real calculations for costs, profits, and customization. Everyone will learn addition, subtraction for ingredient cost, multiplication for scaling recipes, percentages for profit margins. If a bar of soap costs $1.20 to make and sells for $5, what's your profit? And fractions for adding fragrances and colors. On the business side, We show how to calculate total costs, set prices, and market products. How many bars must you sell to obtain $50 in profit? And labeling packaging for selling at fairs, school fairs, or online with parental help. Get the kit and start teaching today. Go to stemfamilyprojects.com and get your complete kit. Don't forget to add extra coloring if they want to multi-layer their soaps with color. After being taught the basics of business, everyone always wants to learn more and earn more. We are currently making many more STEM educational videos and kits for other products students will want to learn to make that will teach them about business. Please subscribe to be notified when they're available. Upcoming kits will include lotions, lip balms, foaming soaps, bath bombs, and many other items. So again, go to stemfamilyprojects.com and start learning today. This is Main Street Digital Academy signing off for now, and we hope you have fun with it. Take care and have a great day. Thank you.